Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel. Today I'll be giving you a step-by-step video on how to make this beautiful lunch bag. Let's get started. These are the materials you need. You need 2 pairs of this material. This first one is 20 inches. The full length is 20 inch and the breadth is 10, as you can see. So we'll be marking out 2 inch from it. 2 inch. So we rule out the 2 inch. We just mark, and after that we cut it. The next thing we'll be doing is putting our lining. So this is the lining. I made it a bit bigger than the leather. So after stitching it, I will trim it to the right size. So right now, I will stitch it like this and like this. I won't be stitching the down because I still have to put in my marker. I'm done stitching it. Next thing I'll be doing now is I'll be inserting my marker inside. I want it to be 19 inch so that it can enter inside perfectly. So for the length, I already reduced it. Can you see it? So it's not up to 10 inches. So what we'll be doing next is we're fixing our marker inside this, like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I can now stitch the down part. So I'm done stitching the down part. Everything is neatly stitched. You can now trim off the excess lining. So the next thing we'll be doing now, before we fix it to a zipper, is to pipe it. Yes, we are not piping all. We are only to pipe the parts where we sew to the zip. I'm going to pipe it like this, just straight. And after I'm done doing that, I will just sew it on my zip. Please, if you don't understand anything, if you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section. So this is what it looks like. I'm done piping it and fixing it on the zip cloth. So I'll be fixing the second part, just the exact way I did this part. I'll put my marker, my lining. The lining is waterproof, and then I will fix it to the zipper. So next, now we're putting our zip edge. So this is it. Next, we'll be putting our 4 corners for the 2 sides. So we are going to measure 2 inch like this, and then we'll place hope you can see what I'm doing. So this is how it will be. We'll be leaving 2 inch by this side. So this is what it looks like. So we are done with this part. Next is the other part of the bag, and so just the way we did for this first part, that is the exact way we are going to be sewing the second part. So we fix the lining, we sew it this way, and this way. Take note, we won't be sewing the down part. because we still need to fix in our marco. And you should take note that your marco should be 1 inch different. By different I mean smaller than your leather material, both in the length and the breadth, so that when you want to fix this in, it will fit in perfectly without any struggle. I hope you understand that. Please, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section, and let me know what's your take about this video, if it was really helpful. For those of you who are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, I think it's time you do that to get helpful videos like this one. Next is we'll be fixing the handle, the top handle. So that's what we'll be doing next. So now I'm going to measure 2.5 inch. So the length of the rope we'll be using 12 inch. We'll be sewing 3 inches. 3 inches this way, like this. We stop here, like this and like this, and we do the same thing for the other side, so it can be firm. So I'm done putting the top. What we'll be doing next, we get the middle like so, and then we're going to give it a little notch, and we do the same thing for the down part also. Same thing, a little notch, and we'll do the same thing for this part too. A little notch, and same thing for this part. I have to make sure it's the middle. A little notch. So that is it. We place the two notched place together. We are just sewing it round. So it's optional. You can sew it inward or outward. It is completely based on your choice. Our lunch bag is ready. This is what it looks like. What we'll be doing next is that we'll be piping it. We'll pipe it round so that it looks neat. So it's completely optional. You can either sew it inward or you sew it outward and then pipe. For this very one, I sew it inward. See how neat it looks? So we'll pipe it round, and then our lunch bag is ready. This is what our bags look like after everything. This is what it looks like after the coupling. So next now, we'll be putting our long and the second handle for the bag, and the length of our rope will be 57, and we'll be using a buckle. So this is how you fix your buckle, like this. And like this. We fix it in, and then we insert it this way. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Inward, like so, and then bring it out like this. So this is it. This you'll be able to adjust the length of the hand. So because of the cotton, we have to bond this place so that you don't lose. So that is it. You sew it like this. I hope you can see it. You sew it like this. And for the other side, you just put it inside the ring and we sew it this way. So this is how it looks like. You can adjust it. So this is what our bag looks like. Looking so pretty. If you have issue sewing thick leathers with a sewing machine, I have a video I will link in my description box on what to do so that you can sew your leather perfectly with your sewing machine. So this brings us to the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section. You're also free to share this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.